Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Experience the tranquility of Land Settlement in Manchester with this expansive two-story home sitting on half an acre, boasting 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This property offers versatility and comfort. The upper level features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, in-unit laundry, formal dining, living room, kitchen, and balconies. The lower level comprises 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, and a kitchen. This area is perfect for rental income or extended family living. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 36 million or US $233,900 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.